In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enroll contacts in a sequence in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what your choices are so you can start automating follow-up without missing a beat. First, open HubSpot and look to the left pane. Click Sales, then select Sequences. This is your home base for the email and task automations your sales team uses to nurture leads and keep conversations moving. If you're new to sequences, don't worry. This view makes it easy to see what you have and what's running. If you haven't created a sequence yet, click Create a Sequence. Give it a clear name and set it up with the content and timing that fits your process. You can always refine your copy and spacing later. The important part right now is having at least one sequence ready to enroll people into. Once you have a sequence, click on it from the list to open its details. This page shows you the sequence's structure and performance at a glance, so you understand what contacts will experience after they're enrolled. Next, go to the Enrollments tab. This tab focuses specifically on who is in the sequence, where they are in the flow, and how they're progressing. It's also where you'll start new enrollments. Now, click Enroll Contacts in the top right. A panel will open with your enrollment options. You can choose a direct, one-to-one approach, or set up automation, so contacts enter the sequence based on their behavior. If you prefer the direct method, enroll the contacts of your connected email. This lets you add people you already communicate with through your connected inbox. It's ideal when you've just had a call, met someone at an event, or want to follow up on a specific thread. Before confirming, double-check the first email in the sequence for personal touches. Small edits to subject lines or opening lines can make a big difference. And make sure your sending schedule aligns with your working hours and any regional compliance requirements. Alternatively, you can automate enrollments from page views and form submissions. This is great for inbound activity, like when someone views a pricing page or submits a contact form. Use this option to meet prospects at the right moment without manual effort. Be thoughtful about your criteria so you're enrolling the right audience, and consider suppressing current customers or ongoing opportunities to avoid duplicating outreach. And there you go. That's all. You've navigated to sequences, opened your sequence, headed to enrollments, and enrolled contacts either directly from your connected email or automatically from page views and form submissions.